So my name is Oliver Maynard-Langedyke. I'm a project development officer with the Canadian Institute for Seniors Care, and I'm the project lead for the Open Minds, Open Hearts program. Back in 2021, we were awarded funding to support dementia-inclusive community building and really to decrease the stigma that is associated with dementia in the post-secondary student population, working with older adults and people living with dementia and their care partners. When we've reached out to all of the different seniors care organizations, a lot of them were super excited about this. Some of them are not-for-profits and don't really have opportunities for connecting with students in intergenerational capacities. So a lot of them were like, yes, we want to do this right away. We want to, connect either in person or virtually, depending on capacity, really support the seniors that are at these different organizations, whether they're accessing day programs or they live at a home. They might be feeling sort of socially isolated, especially post-COVID. Having an opportunity to connect with younger folks really brightens up their day and makes them really excited about the activities each week. It's really cool to see where all of these students are coming from. We have students from all across Canada. I would say upwards of 50 different post-secondary institutions all over. A lot of them come from different backgrounds, so lots of international students. We have collaboration with the National Circus School, so lots of creatives coming into the program with a sort of a new sense of excitement about working with older adults, but also a little bit of apprehension and maybe a little bit of nerves coming in, not sure how to interact with older folks, not sure how to interact with someone living with dementia. But there's also this subsect of the group that do have experience working with their grandparents or someone in their life who is experiencing living with dementia. And it's really cool and interesting to see these students come in and say, I want to learn more. I don't know where to start. I need help, and this program is going to help me do that. So I think that these kind of programs, just the intrinsic nature of them being social, really does increase our idea around how we interact with people. Seeing someone who lives with dementia and not seeing them as someone who's scary or someone that you can't go up to really opens up the discourse and their ideas around how they think and how they view older adults in general. It's such a large aging population. I think that this provides a great opportunity for younger folks, students, anyone working in a post-secondary capacity, that opportunity to connect with older adults that they might not otherwise have, and really bring those experiences into the future role that they're going into in their career, in their hobbies, whatever they're looking to do. And I really do think that will have a great impact on the future of the workforce, but also maybe the future of just opinions around older folks and opinions around aging. There's so much stigma related to aging, and I really hope that this kind of program has a great impact on that.